Let's go. Come on, man. There you go. All right, boy, let's get the scholarship. Come on, let's go. Rip, damn it. Let's go. All right. Okay. Nate's turn now. All right, let's go. Come on. We're doing one-on-one straight up. There we go. That's usually the way Big Nate excel at. There go to the next one. Down the line. There you go. He done fell. You gotta keep his feet. Alright. Here's what we've been waiting for. See Big Nate down in the trenches. Trying to do his thing. There you go, baby.